All right, welcome back to the channel with Paradox the Rapper. It is summertime in California and it is shirtless vlog time. Okay, so this is just an update video. If you guys have been following me on my Instagram, you would know. I swear, they're quiet the whole time. As soon as I open up the camera and start talking, the ducks, they just want to stunt on the camera. So anyway, like I was saying, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you would know that I got appendicitis. And that's why I'm wearing this nice girdle right here, you know, to shape my girlish waist. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's a compression. This is actually a compression garment. So what happened when I got appendicitis was all through like 2 weeks ago. My stomach was hurting and I thought it was because of a cough that I was having due to allergies, and I figured it'd just go away, and all week it didn't go away. So I finally, when it hurt really bad, went to the hospital and they said that my appendix was ruptured and there was a whole bunch of pus and goo and all kinds of stuff. They tried to go in laparoscopically and they found that there was just too much pus, so they ended up opening me up. So I got a cut going from here all the way down to like right here. They saved my belly button, so it's still there, but they had to cut it out. So it's really nasty. It hurts like a mofo, and the cut is fine now. It's healing. I got my stitches taken out yesterday, but where they cut my stomach right here, they had to cut the stomach muscles on this side and this side, so that hurts really bad as it's healing up. So yeah, getting on some Norco. Everyone got pushed back about 2 or 3 weeks, unfortunately. We're gonna do a quick update of what's going on in the yard, and the books have arrived. So if you guys pre-ordered a color swatch book from my brand, Paradox Wraps, I will show you an example of what it looks like. I'm all sold out. So if you want another one, you gotta get in on the next pre-order, which will happen probably in about 2 months or so. So let's flip this camera around and do a little quick walk around. This is just a pure vlog style. We'll do all the guides and stuff like that on the next couple episodes, okay? All right, here we go. We got Chip in the pool. We got to change that water. I just changed that water yesterday and the ducks just like muck it up, but you know, Chip's in there swimming away because he loves his pool. Chip, is that your new pool? It's the frozen pool. Look at him. It's so hot that they just like to dip themselves in water, you know. I know, we got to change it. But he's just swimming in it. Poor Chip. All right, Chip, we'll change your water in a second. Okay, so this car's been parked here for so long that you can see like my parking spot and all the stuff's growing out of it. I'm like ruining the lawn because there's too many cars here. Over here we got this car I'm working on next. Okay, we got the pool set up. Look at that. Sick. Okay, so this is a saltwater filter, sand. It's like a sand saltwater filter. It's hella tight because there's a chicken that's bald because the ducks plucked her. So yeah, anyway, this is a sand filter that has salt water running into there. So when you do a sand salt filter, you don't have to put chlorine in it. It makes the chlorine through the salt and it doesn't get all, you know, mucked up and stuff like that. But I can't go into full water submission with my surgery for about another 3 weeks, unfortunately. That sucks. Okay, so Cadillac's next. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut out a wrap that's 60 feet to fit any car. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of questions about that when people order my wrap. So I'm gonna show you guys how to maximize material and not be short. All these cars are super dirty. I have not driven anything for a while. And I got Randy's car over here. It's almost done. I'll show you guys how to repair all the like flyaways and stuff like that during a touch-up session for that one. Over here we got Michelle with the goods. Hey, honey.
Hi, honey.
Unless you got the goods.
Stop poking.
Okay, so.
I can't lift the whole box.
Okay.
We have a gazillion of these on there, though, and I will get them out ASAP, but this is what's...
Okay, guys. Michelle's in charge of sending all these out. I got a whole list of everyone who placed an order. So let me...
I brought new colors. I brought the new colors, too.
Oh, new colors. So...
Never mind, Reliance, okay.
There we go.
So it's...
So we got holographic.
Yeah, holographic. And it looks like just this... Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at that one.
Oh, dang. Okay,
that
so we'll post that up.
Really pretty.
For sale. This one's pretty expensive. It's like a Tiffany...
That is
like a
super
rainbow
nice.
Tiffany. Show them the packets.
What?
Show them the packets.
You want it?
Oh, no, don't open it. Just let me
Oh,
see.
yeah, no, I don't want to open it.
Yeah, so this is the back. It says Paradox Wraps with premium wrapping film. Paradox wrapper. Here, honey, go hold this.
Sorry. Which one?
And in the front, we got Paradox styling with my YouTube thing. And this is all professionally shrink wrapped. Look at that. With the metal. This is like a brushed metal cover too. So it's not all the colors. It's most of them. It's impossible to put all of our colors into one book because we're running like 3 different companies.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice, honey. Okay, so she's gonna get these out this week and next week. You guys will start to get them. Then we'll do another batch maybe later. I gotta work on this. In here, I got Sonny's bumper and his side skirt, and I'm trying to put my new wheels together as well. So we'll go over all this in separate episodes. There we go. Nice clean water again for Chip. Quick announcement. I'm going to a drift event in Tahoe on June 13th. Okay, so if you guys are able to make it, go up to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in South Lake Tahoe. The whole event is free. If you want to be part of the show, you have to message these guys. I'll link them down here to register your car. But if you just want to attend, just to check things out, watch some drifting and check out the car show, it's free. Come through, hang out with me. I'll be giving away some wrap samples of leftover wrap to some of my subscribers and do maybe some demo. So we'll see what happens. We're going to be able to drift this car. The guys that organized the event were so awesome. They let me in on the drift event even though it was already full. So huge thanks to those guys, Aces High Rally. But to get this car ready, I got to do a few things. I got to put new seatbelt buckle into there, tie down the battery. I got grass growing under my under the car, so I got to move this out. And of course, the most important thing about a drift car, you need drift spares. I was using these, and the lug pattern fits the 240, but they're from the MR2, and the tires are super huge. What I need is 17 by 9.75, and I found some. As I use the Home Depot paint, they just repaint them to match, so it's gonna be sick. There we go. I'm gonna paint these anyway.
Yeah, you are?
Yeah. These are the perfect spec. I've been hunting for 4-lug.
I mean, they're
17 by 9.75. Yeah.
Those are the ones.
Sick. Okay.
The older one got messed up.
How messed up?
I was driving on the freeway. Yeah, they're pretty wide.
I like how wide they are. Perfect.
I used to have them.
I'm running a wide body on my 240.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's not bad. I'll sand these down. It's good. It's good. It's holding air, right?
That one, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
They're just
good. I'm about to burn these tires at the drift event soon.
They're just a little bit dirty, you know.
Cool.
But
right. Is this the messed up one?
No.
Oh, the third one.
Yeah, they're all good, you know. They're only 3.
Cool.
Like I said.
Ooh, damn, bro. Okay, it's looking good. All right, and we're back. I had to change out the battery in the Audi. So, yeah, I mean, batteries just get old and die. So I got to take this old one back to Pep Boys and get the refund thing on it. But the battery is actually in the trunk on this car. But here are my new drift spares. So all this curb rash Very easy to get taken care of. You just sand this sucker down. You rough up the surface and then you paint it whatever color you want. So sick. Look how wide these things are. Damn. Perfect size, just like my 240 wheels. But the specs on these tires are a little bit, I think they're thinner. They're what you call it? Yeah, they're 205 45s. On my back wheels, it's 245 45. So big difference. But that's okay. We're gonna burn these down anyways. I'm gonna test fit them, and they're just gonna be used up, and then I'll get new tires after this event. And there they are, the drift spares. Nice. So one of these is flat, and I only have 3 of them. I can always order another one if I want to run these. So maybe I will. It's not too expensive to just order one wheel. I know where these come from. So on the next episode, when we go to the event, I will sand these down. I'll paint them to match that, and then I'll show you how they fit, and we'll do the whole event with them. Okay, so next one. We got Michelle in the pool. Oh, honey.
No, you don't. You're gonna cut that out.
Ah.
Yeah.
They can't even see you. I want to go in the pool. Look, we got Quincy in the pool. It's pretty funny when you hold dogs over water, like with your hand. They do this little like paddle thing by instinct. The water is a little salty. It's not totally salt. It's just a slight tang of salt, so just enough so that the algae doesn't grow. Look them go. That's Michelle's new pet. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. So it's just a little quick vlog of what I've been up to and all the surgery stuff and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much to those who have already bought a wrap roll and is wrapping your cars at home and trying it out. That's the whole point of the channel. So there'll be lots more tutorial videos coming soon, especially for those who have questions about how to cut out the material, how much material you need, how you not run short, how do you set up a panel. So we'll do all that in the next couple episodes, and how to fix all your little issues and mistakes after it's been sitting out in the sun for a while. So until next time, guys, I got my samurai thing on. I gotta get my sword. Anyway, so until next time, I really appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and there'll be more how-to videos coming soon. I'll catch you guys later.